So my experience today was quite interesting. I loved the teaching. Everything was explained perfectly and it was very formal. One thing I would say that I've learned a lot about my partner and about myself and about how to just how to understand my partner more in marriage and how to just like compromise and work together. You know, marriage is all about working together, doing things together. You can't do one thing and your partner is on another side. You know, you guys have to have unity in everything you do. So I learned so much about sex and just not, you know, as a man, one thing that really stuck to me is I can't just tell my wife I want to have sex, but I have not catered to her emotionally, made her happy throughout the day. So yeah, that was my stuff.
Today experience was really amazing. It was definitely timely for different things since we are newlyweds. I love the fact that when we did tango, it wasn't just tango, but it was more so learning to take his lead and not stepping out of bound when he's not stepping, or me stepping out of bound when he's stepping forward, and just being in unity. Like if he says pause, we gotta pause. If he says go forward, we gotta go forward. If he says take a step back, we gotta take a step back. So it wasn't just tango, but it was more so what a marriage is supposed to look like. Him taking the lead and me submitting unto that. And if something is not right, I have the right to say, you know, babe, I think we should go another route. I think we should do this. And even with, you know, the other couples there, he was able to watch my back while I watch his back, you know. So it was definitely an amazing, I look forward to it. I really can't wait to the next one. So yeah.
When you do this, this is how I feel. This is what it makes me feel. But when I hear this is what it makes me. Because if I understand your feelings, it makes it easier for me to know, wow, to the extent of how painful that act, that offense was. Because if I don't know how really that offense, I'll just probably take it lightly, because coming from me, I know that is nothing. If you were to do the same thing to me, I may not feel it. But if I'm doing it to you, then I need to know how bad it really affected you. So now let's